hood on. Said it's 7. See, yeah, this house here, it need let's see. It need I ain't been in it. I'm just going off the outside. But the foundation look like it is a little rough.
So is that's the house right next?
Literally right next door to mine, yeah. But for $1,000, I might, if that's what it is. But yeah, I can see the basement is bowing big time though. And it's a hole in the roof. Basically building a new house. Gonna cost about 60,000, 65,000, something like that.
Hey, look. Tear that down. Put one of them, put one of them prefabs in there.
Yeah, definitely could do that. I think a teardown is like 2,500.
2,500, that's it?
I think so. Yeah, I gotta find somewhere to put all this stuff I took out. I mean, not took out, but I told them not to take out. You know, when they did the demo, I told them a few of the things don't throw away. And now he done took that wall down.
That's what upstairs we're talking about.
Yeah, he took down the wall because it was a duplex, so I took down the wall that separates it, and now you know put the banister there. How's it going? These floors is gonna be real nice. Hardwood, yeah.
Hardwood?
Yep. I'm gonna have them refinish them. It's gonna be a pretty penny to refinish. Looking at about 4,000 maybe. 3 to 4,000, I think. Cause it's what, about 1,800 square feet. 17. I think it's about 1,700 square. I need to measure all these rooms, but I think it's about 1,700 square feet total.
No carpet period.
Nah. Probably gonna do no carpet. Let me do this for you. We're here painting yet, but that. Hold on, let me see. When I walk in. Let's see. Yeah, walk in. I want an accent wall. I think that. I'm gonna do a different color.
That wall? Different color?
I think so. That one, yeah. And the panels. And then.
What do you mean panels?
I'm about to show you.
Oh, the squares that we did in the other house?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do them differently.
Okay.
And
Plumbing is stuff.
all of it?
Well, where I'm at, it is.
Oh.
I cut the pipes and I'm using them. And I cut the valve for the upstairs kitchen and just leave for the bathroom.
Right.
Because we canceled the kitchen.
Right.
And every time you flush the toilet, it feels the pressure upstairs. Why? Because all the air. So that's why the
stink pipe?
Yeah, it's a stink pipe. That's I'm gonna put a plug in it. That way it stops the smell.
Okay. What would it do with the pressure?
Because the pressure, it got two pipes. This one, it got an elbow going up to the roof. Yeah. And then over here, it's a T, dropping it down. But over here is another elbow. He's supposed to hook up this one with this one, but he didn't. So I'm gonna go with the better option, put a pipe, elbow, and another pipe, hook it up. Because that I believe it's for sink.
You said what?
The sting pipe, the second one is for the sink for the kitchen.
Okay.
So I don't want to cancel no pipes.
Okay.
To move this wire into the wall, I'm gonna leave this plug over there. I mean this switch over there, and that's the end of the side. I'm gonna move this one over here.
Right. That way it's like.
And it looks kind of dark because the ceiling is not painted.
Right. Once it's white, yeah, it's gonna be real nice.
You see all the molding and all the bedrooms?
Yeah, I did. I checked it out. Right here, though, this is what I was talking about. There's no door, so I'm gonna have to do those folding doors. Or
I messed with it because I know exactly what you want.
yeah, I just gotta put a door there, or some kind of way to put a door. Because if there's no door, they don't count it as a closet. And then, cause this is gonna be a dining area. Table probably go right here somewhere. And I'm not gonna do tile. I'm gonna just buy the hardwood and replace the pieces.
It's a bunch of pieces. Okay. Hey, you know what? We gotta start doing outside because the birds are coming inside of the house.
Oh, where at? I heard of squirrels in here.
Yeah, they're coming up through here.
Yeah, we can start on the outside. Whenever you're ready.
I'm gonna bring the letters on tomorrow, maybe.
Just let me know what to buy. Huh?
At least that piece over there in the very top, you see? They going by there and right there, you see the hole?
Oh yeah.
They're going through there.
You just gotta put a smoke bomb in there. Man, it's a big gap. I didn't see that gap on the wood.
They're going in through there.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. But yeah, that looked good. I like that. Who gave you that idea?
Anthony.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you can just keep this.
And get some light bulbs too.
Light bulbs. Matter of fact, we're gonna get them now. So we need light bulbs, another bundle.
Mm-hmm. And bring 2 boxes of caulking.
And a box of caulking. Just all purpose?
Yeah.
That window and door or whatever? Alright. There's a nice one there. It's a real nice one right here. $50. It's really 25. Everything's 50% off. I think I like this one. No, it's still for sale. Oh, for me, yeah. Say it again. Nah, you ain't supposed to paint these. These is that real, you can't paint these. This that nice wood. Got mahogany. I mean, you can. I ain't saying you can't paint. I'm saying it wouldn't. Yeah, they got a whole 21-piece set for $2,750, and I think it's half off.
Anthony!
What's happening, bro? Why you turn the lights on? I say what? Oh, I'm talking about over here. There we go. And they dimmable. What's up, bro? What happened?
You want a string?
Oh no, I'm changing that. I got a light. What's that? Oh, you need a
switch. All of them, they got switch except this one.
Yeah, I guess you gotta add a switch then.
I'm gonna put it in.
I'm trying to think, do you need a light right there?
It's the hallway.
Yeah, but this is a light here. Yeah, I guess, yeah, okay, you can add a switch. You're right. So we gotta go on this side.
And this one, when you turn it on, you can see the closet over here.
Awesome, you're right. Oh yeah, little mini closet. Yep. This beautiful this beautiful yard. Yeah. I wonder how much I can get for it.
180.
I was thinking that. That'd be nice. So this one's included? You getting this one too? Okay.
Well, I'll put this like $100. So
that's cool. That's all good. I was looking for houses too yesterday for the $1,000. They got some, but they they horrible. But for $1,000, I guess you can't complain. One window, see?
Yeah, but you take out this piece is one, and that piece is another one. What are you talking about?
Man, you don't know what you're talking about, dog.
Come
on, man, you get a new outfit, don't know how to act.
Ahorita va a hablar Jerry.
Jerry.
Ahorita. Hey.
Let me call.
Ahorita Jerry.
Oh, okay. Let me call him. What are you talking about? You don't know who you got over there?
You bought these gutters?
Yeah, I bought those. Yeah. They all fit in the van. Got the molding here, that's dope. Got all the molding around the windows, that's good. And on the floor, it looked wider in the store. In here,
it needs to be bigger.
Ceiling fan. And he's doing recess lights in here. What's that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, you can keep that. Well, not keep it, but I'm gonna keep that ceiling fan. And boom, I ain't been upstairs.
The place to go is the basement.
Oh yeah,
I thought that was a crap.
We can go down there. Hold on, let me tie my shoes up. Really?
That was last summer.
Oh yeah, you're right. It's almost a year. So yeah, it's the same. Look the same. Actually, the water done went down since the last time I've been here. Over here anyway. I see they dug up more dirt. Yeah, it went down because it was damn near pouring in that when I was here last. He said sometimes underneath the basement water comes up like that. But this without him seeing it.
A plumber talked to me.
He said the same thing?
He said the same thing.
But I want to do it go this high. My uncle would know, but I ain't.
Somebody just know. They're gonna know exactly. They're gonna know what that means. Because in my eyes, Jerry pointed it out. I didn't realize.
Yeah, I just seen it. I ain't see that either. He did clean it out.
Water right here, for sure.
Right, because this coming from that corner.
Get the porches and shit.
He gonna have to redo these too. I already told him. And this is definitely a violation. This will collapse any minute. I see they tried to address it right here with this little beam, but you need two. You need one over here, one right there, and you need to reinforce this one. Boom. Okay. Primer. But more so, yeah, I learned a little something. Like somebody spit on my floor. Definitely spit. We'll have to have a talk with Jerry. This is my jam. What the? Is that clothes? It is. It's a shirt. Wow, they done used a shirt for insulation. How about we take that out? We got real insulation on this side. I'll get this one too. Oh man, gotta do better. It's looking good, looking good. Yeah.